This is not just an island. It's a dream that hasn't woken up yet. The wind still speaks in forgotten tongues. The rocks remember names older than time. Here, the past is not behind us. It breathes beneath our feet. It waits in roots, in shadows, in silence. Some places don't want to be found. They find you when you're ready to listen. Every path leads inward. Every echo carries something lost. And sometimes the island dreams through you. Maybe you didn't come here by chance. Maybe the island called you, not to show you something, but to remind you who you are.